Hey friends, my group wants to make a video of an English practical exam. My name is Aaron Gavin Ferisa Maulana, number 11, class 9I.
My name is Ahmad Junaidi, class 9I, number 1.
Hey Kevin, what are you doing?
Hey Kevin, I am helping Juliet make tape.
Hello. Yes, we're making tape today.
Wow, I've never met tape before. How do you eat?
Fish we peel and wash the cassava.
Then we stem the cassava until it's soft.
What's next?
After that, we let it cool down and we sprinkle yes on it.
Finally, we put the cassava in a container and wait for 2 days.
I see. So we have to wait before we can eat.
Yes, but it will tasty, sweet, and delicious.
I can't wait to try it.